Three things that determine the price of a carpet. Vitu tatu zenye zina lead kujua price ya carpet. Na pia the same three things ndo zina determine chenye unahitaji kwa nyumba yako. Number 1, the size of the carpet. Size ya carpet, kuna ile carpet ya kukata, ile carpet ya plastic. Siongelele hiyo. Naongelea this kind of carpets. The long lasting carpet, ile carpet yenye unaweka pale in your home, yenye unaweza anza nayo maisha. That is the carpet yenye naongelelea. Utaanza nayo maisha na ikupe service for long years. We have the least size inaanzanga na 5 feet. 5 feet naongelea kutoka this end all the way to that end. That is 5 feet. And then from this end, the length to this end ni 8 feet. So inaanzanga na 5 by 8. An example is the one that I'm showing here. Then we go to 6'9". 6'9 tuko na hii zenye ziko chini. Usikunje kwanza. 6'9 ni kama hii. This one is a 6'9. This one is 6 feet and the length there is 9. Then after 6'9 we have a 7'10. I think by now una get your trend. Tunaongeza 1 feet at both sides. Tukiongeza 1 feet at its width, tunaongeza 1 feet at its length. So inakuwa 5'8", 6'9", 7'10 and 8'11. Hizo ndo carpets zenye tutakuwa tukiangalia leo. So at first tutaangalia these two types of carpets zenye ni 5'8", tumezigawanisha mara mbili, 5'8 na 6'9. So currently here I have a 5'8", 5 feet by 8 carpet and a 6 by 9 carpet. Right at it. Hapa juu tukifika kwa 5'8 tumepata size zenye labda unataka tuseme ni 5'8. Iko na different types. One, kuna different companies zenye zimetoa 5'8. Right? Na different companies have different qualities. Hiyo ndio kitu nataka tukua tunaangalia leo. For example, hii carpet yetu ya kwanza, how does it look? Yes, this one is one of the most trending carpets that we have right now. This type. Ukiangalia hapa hivi, it's an Almira. It's an Almira. Hivi ndio inakaa ndani. Na then pia tunaweza angalia some few things zenye wameandika hapa. Unaweza angalia it's 80% polyester. Size ndio hiyo hapo, batch number, net gross, the year of manufacture, its color, it's all there. Na ukiangalia hapa it's rough, it's very rough, ndio isikuwe ina slide. Unajua kuna carpets unaweza kanyaga uingie flying machine, lakini sasa hii this is rough. Ukikanyaga huwezi slide nayo, Then when you look at its top, it's very soft, na haina zile manyoya mingi, right? So this one is our first company called Almira. Now that's the product. Secondly, we have the fluffy ones. Kumbuka carpets are either two. Hiyo yenye nimekuonyesha ya hii yenye si fluffy na hii. This one is a fluffy one. When you say a fluffy carpet, this is what we mean. You see? Iko na manyoya. This is what we're talking about. Hii nayo ni kampuni gani? Let's look from the other side. Kampuni yake ni gani? This one is a Gladelli. I'm looking for it. Natafuta its sticker. Should be somewhere at the back. But it's a Gladelli. Kampuni yake inaitwa Gladelli. I think sticker hii imetoka. So this one is a Gladelli. It's fluffy for people who love fluffy. Na pia pattern zake zinakaa vizuri sana. Sasa this one tunaweza kunja hii. So this is how a Gladelli looks like, and a fluffy one. It comes with so many patterns. Like for example, hapa kando pia kuna ka black and white nimekunja hapa, right? It's also a Gladelli. Iko na ka black, gray and white in color. It's also very comfy actually. Hii hata mtoto anaweza lala pale chini na usikue na wasiwasi. It's nyuma it's still rough, it's like a mat. One thing I love about these two carpets zenye nimeonyesha sahi ni it's rough. Kwa hivyo pale ukiweka pale chini usikue na wasiwasi ati ita move. No, it won't move, it will be very stagnant. Ukishaiweka mahali ni hivyo, until you move it iko very safe. Na pia there's very comfy hata na watoto wanaweza lala hapa chini, na especially you, once you are on this carpet at least you feel at home. Last but not least, the one carpet I've also been looking at ni hii. Look at this carpet. This is how it is at full length. Even though inakaa. Now, this carpet here is one of the special carpets ikifika kwa 6'9", kwa 5'8", sorry. Why? Nataka waangalie vizuri uone it's a double layered carpet. There is this layer up to here, and then there is this top layer that is on here. So it's a double layered carpet. Very comfy, very durable. It is actually more durable than the others. Hii inakuanga very durable. Now this carpet, it's from a company we call Izmir. This is our sticker right here. It's from a company we call Izmir. Now Izmir is it has one of the best carpets that we are having. It's very comfy, 2 layered. This is a double layered carpet. Very durable, very comfy. Unaona your carpet. So if you're really looking kutoka kwa market one time, I think this is your carpet that you're looking for, especially for a 5 and 8 carpet. That is 5'8" by feet. So remember, it's just a few zenye nimechagua. As time goes by, nikutana new companies, of course tutakuwa nawaletea. So right now tumeangalia Gladeli, tumeangalia Florida, tumeangalia Izmir. Right? Bei zake, they differ with different suppliers, right? But here I had just Home Appliances. This one that we had shown first, here hapa, this one here will go for 7,500 right now in the market. Then we have this type, this one here. Hii nayo it will go for 6,500 right now in the market. If we are shopping with just Home Appliances. And now I want you to take advantage of this Izmir carpet, especially this one. If you're hearing me right now, kindly put your order for this. This is a crazy offer with this carpet going for 7,500. That's a crazy offer because you're getting a double layered carpet at a very affordable price. So for now, that's much that I have for you for the 5'8", right? Tutaongeza baadaye. Sawa. So how about tuangalie 6x9? 6x9. Still different companies, different models. Sawa. So companies zenye pia nimekuonyesha in my previous samples, kumbuka ziko na all sizes. You will get a Gladeli 5x8, you'll get a Gladeli 6x9, you'll get a Gladeli 7x10, you'll get a Gladeli 8x11. Similar case to Izmir. You'll get Izmir of all sizes, different prices, but same quality, right? You'll get a Florida. You'll also get a Turkish of the same. So 6x9 have few. Hatujaona hii kwa 5x8, but we meet it here. So it's inakwanga kinda ni loose. It's a loose one kidogo. It's not as firm. So hii ni ya mkulima mdogo, right? Hii ni ya mkulima mdogo. Or if you're looking for one not to invest much in a carpet, especially for pale ushago ama for a studio apartment. Tuseme uko pale studio apartment ama kabetsita yako, you have your space, right? But hautaki ku spend so much on the carpet. So this is your carpet. This is your budget. It's a Gladeli type. Also from Gladeli. Its quality is very good. Rough backside kama kawaida, but it's kind of light, si heavy kama zingine tutaenda kuona. So this one just Home Appliances with your 6,000 at least you'll be able to get this one. Remember 6x9 is very spacious, so uko in your studio apartment or a spacious bed sitter or a spacious room, you need a spacious room. Lakini kama uko pale ushago, you just looking for something nice, something quality pale ushago, this one got you at home. Then tuseme uko pale ushago ni ya shosh, unataka kusurprise shows, unataka kusurprise madhe pale nyumbani, watoto ni wengi, you know, access ya pale kwa nyumba it's uncontrollable, then this is your carpet. Then you'll be looking for something like this. This one is all weather carpet, vile tu unaiona. Hii hata ukanyage na viatu, it's still on, right? This one is on all weather carpet. And now this one is called instable carpet. Instable is one of the most renowned carpets. Imekuwa kwa market for a long time now. Na hii carpet it will serve you well. Similar price, just have my appliances right now. Watakupea kwa offer 6,000. You'll be able to get a 6.9. It's very spacious. So if you're looking to surprise your grandma or your parents back at home, this is the best for you. This is the best for you, right? This is one best for you. Last but not least, pale kwa 6.9, I have this one. We had looked this company before. This one here, very comfy. Sorry for saying last but not least because it seems to have other down there. This company nayo ni, when you look at it, wow, it's an Almira. We've seen an Almira before. It's a 6x9 Almira. As I said, Almira utaipata 5x8, utaipata 6x9, utaipata 7x10, all up going upwards. But at least you get to see it. Ni rough pale nyuma. At its back, very rough. You're secure. Na ukiangalia, it's very soft. It's very soft. So if you're looking for something permanent, really permanent, I think this is your carpet. 6x9 Almira. It's very spacious. Hii kwa ile bungalow yako, wherever you may take it, comes with different designs, different patterns, different colors, right? So it's very spacious, very classy. Itakupea the very look that you're looking for. Sawa. So on my next video, I'll really be looking at the 710. At least I want us to see the size of a 710 and 811. Those are one of the very spacious carpets that we have. Yes. See you in my next video.